Hi, in this video I will show you how to join a live TikTok video, or you can request someone to join you on a TikTok live stream. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and remember that the other person you make a request to join you on the live must have the 1000 followers. If he don't have, he will not join you on the live stream. So first of all, open your TikTok and click on this plus button, and once you will do it, now you have to go to the live. And once you will go to the live, you will see a red pinkish or blue button on the left bottom, uh, like you see on the screen. So what you have to do is click on it, and once you will click on it, you will see a pop-up is open with invite. Here you will see all of your friend list, all your friend that are eligible for the live stream. So you can simply press a invite button to invite them. TikTok send a notification to that user, and if he accept your invitation to join a live TikTok or request. So in this way you can do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.